Assistant Professor ka Hindi Department jong ka School ba North Eastern Hill University nehu Dr. Alok Singh. Ula mudoi dak ejahar persya ya Presiden ka nehu su usandi sotun bat sangut ki weipat halor kejing kenok don ketiban tombor ya haka janmiet jong ka arpusau tri ya yong hapok ka office trekam jong haduk ba unda mensau. Hakani ka ejahar bala mudoi hapok maulai mau kendrok police outpost Dr. Alok Singh pentip bahaka arpusau trik yayong hakapor kumbasau sapusan janmiet Presiden kane husu lembat sangut ki paralok jong kila khangkut jubor ya hapok ka kamera jong ka department. Ulaya tu bakine ki sangut kila tak kti bat tombor ya da ka berten ru ban penyap da ka penap da ka kanshi na rendang. Ulaya tu ru ba hakani ke jing syak tombor ulangat hakajing mensau na ki benta jong ka klik ki kejat bat kti. Ngada snusi ktang halor kene ke jingja bat ngadang don hapleng ke jing seir. Kum uno hikai mentangam don syuk ha ke jing shngan bat don ha ke jing ma hapok ke campus. Ula ong ha ka ejahar da ke bakentu ban syem mardor ya ki sinjam ki badon kam kat kum ka ain bat ban penti kena na ke benta ke jing shngan jong bat pendek ya ke burom jong ke skul ba. Habakren syakilar pathai khubor ha ke singit hoding arpusan trik ya yong Dr. Alok ula batai halor katai ke jingja kumno bakite kisan ngur gila tombor ya da ko bukenno ba ula le politik katawat lana kaliang jong ula ong ba syem lale ya keno ka babakla. Haba pendrem ya keni ke jingja na kaliang kino hikai jong keni ke skul ba kila penlong da ke jing ya ki ka bajai-jai hakmat ka office jong vice chancellor da ka bakentu ban yo ya ke jing pentikna na ki bor penyai bat dawaru ban syem ya ki sinjam ban pentikna na ke benta ke jing sngan habdeng kino hikai. Ngikum ke dekhot jong kino hikai ke nehu ngi yang rengkat bat Dr. Alok Singh bat ngi kwak ban penpau ya ke jing ya teli ke jongi bat ngin om syap ting la ha kenu kurukom ya kum kini kiri boman ki ba kwak ban penjak burom ya ke skul ba da ke ba penken ya ki kendon an ong kino hikai. Ngila tip bat ngila sakhi ya ki kam bat ki rukom trikam jong ki ba kum kini ki kenhuan runar ha kini ki kendiat benai ki bala dep bat ki bala kam ba ki de ki nongkit kam jong kane husu. Ngi pendrem jur ya kini ka kam khauput ban le ya kini ka kam tombor. Kila ong ru ba kini ka kam pentriam ka badai ka jing persyang ban syem ya ka jing im jong udukhot ki nong hikai hala ka jong ka office de ya ka ban pendrem jur da ka bating kam de tang ka kam tombor ya uwe ubriu shimet henre ya ka burom ka jing shngan bat ka jing long kentang jong ki nong hikai baro. Nalor kata kino hikai ka nehu kila dawaru na ki bor penyat jong ka skul ba ka sorkar pedeng bar ki tenat jong ka an bakin syem ya kila jing penstom persya ya kini kiri runar klem da penslam bat ba kini kiri boman ki dei ban syakset patok na kebenta ban penyo ya ka hong.
Yeah, some that face I know. Right?
Do you know their name?
His name is President. Is Sandy South Indian is this incident that yesterday I am going civil hospital and check up my all things, that is my hand also and civil hospital going, and then some injection given me and x-ray. Doctor says not anything because he is beating me only hand and in my backside and my leg and head. So in my chamber, that one paper cutting, that knife, and then my neck, the paper cutting knife, and then he says I killed. This incident will not forget. Please, I pray that provide security because I am feeling not very well. Because this incident, on mentally and healthily, I am very weak. So that's because last that police protection and police inform, because I am not going, I am not that speak the voice, then that in future anyone that can this type incident do that. So I thought because my mother is also police, so then he says you go to the fire and the police taken. Nehu student, I only know that Nehu superintendent, and some student 6 months. itself, and one outside sitting. No one in came in my chamber. That's why sitting. You doing here politics? So I say, what type I am doing here politics? Please sit down and talk with me. What type I am politics? So he says, no, you doing politics here. Organization. Then beaten me. What type of organization? What type of organization? That provide all teacher security, because yesterday beat me, and in future beat again anyone. So please provide security here in new campus, because teacher is not safe. Teacher is not very feeling good. So then in this university, the teaching is not going running properly good. So I only demand, please provide security, because I am not feeling well. In 2-3 days in future, anyone can come and kill me. What I do? What I do? So I provide, please provide me security. I say, please provide me security. And this that incident recovering for me, doing is good.
A university ka assure yaki ginong hikai bat yaki khna kumjo wa security jongki khna kade ka bakongsan bat ni termen ru bakum kini kijingja kanungja shu ha university nidan hi security himre ebum kini kijingja ngenum ngimtip am kanja shunu ngimtip ha man ki jaka man ki kamra ngim la ban phai ki security katkum kajing ong jong ni unong hikai u ong ha ka shti jong uru wa kajingja ka ja ha ka office jong u the office jong u te ngim la ban I security personally te tangi gata hi ni la ban ong ba ni kwa hi ba kinong hikai bat ki na inyo ya kan security bat ni dan ki security staff ki pet hi ki persyak hi bandungja ta kijingja ne sometimes kaja hi tingin mali
we know that our limitations being a teacher, we keep quiet and we say that we also know that whatever wrongs has been done is on the one side is one thing, but we have been quietly observing whatever things have been happening, and we don't want to be party to A party or B party. We have been there and we want good of the Northeastern University, and because say I am serving in the Northeast for the last 35 plus years, so we know the repercussion, or we know the feeling of the people, so accordingly we have been working. Now this is what is one thing against the university or against Professor Shukla, whatever things are going on. So whatever way is there, whether it is good, bad, whatever things are there, when the time will come, we will definitely say that whatever he has done is not good for the university. How it should have been countered, how it should have been taken forward is one thing. But in the process, when the people are quietly accepting whatever things are there without debating, without any discussion and all, without raising any question to any of the things raised by NEUSU, raised by NEUTA, raised by any of the bodies, we are least concerned, because we want to see that our students are able to cope up with the competition at the national level. We are able to give them the best possible education. We are able to build a very good character. We are able to create a good persons for the society.